This guy bought a wrecked Mercedes G63 to give to his dad as a birthday gift. His father's birthday was coming up, and he didn't have the money to buy a perfect luxury SUV, so he decided to do something unbelievable: rebuild one of the most iconic off-road vehicles in the world with his own two hands. He found it at a salvage auction for a price that almost felt unreal. The G63 looked like it had been through a disaster. The front end was smashed, body panels were cracked, the frame was twisted, and the engine was completely dead. To most people, it was a total loss. But where everyone else saw junk, he saw a chance to create something unforgettable. Without hesitating, he bought it and showed up the very next morning with tools, gloves, and a plan that everyone said was impossible. The moment he opened the door, he realized how bad it really was. The interior was destroyed, airbags blown, seats ripped, electronics fried. His friends laughed and said he'd never bring that G-Wagon back to life. He just smiled and thought, wait until my dad sees this truck. He started by stripping everything down. He removed broken body panels, disconnected damaged wiring, and cleared out every part that couldn't be saved. Then he moved outside, straightening metal, sanding damaged areas, and preparing the chassis for the long rebuild ahead. The work was brutal, but the thought of surprising his dad kept him going. Day after day, he rebuilt the suspension, straightened the frame, replaced engine components, and restored every detail with precision. Little by little, the destroyed Mercedes began to look alive again. The bold lines came back, the paint regained its shine, and the engine finally roared. And through every long night and every drop of sweat, he held on to one thought: the moment he'd hand his dad the keys to a Mercedes G63 rebuilt with love.